How to add to favorites on maps.me. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add favorites on maps.me. So how can you add favorites? The first step is to launch the maps.me app on your mobile phone. And then once you've done that, the next step is to move to the bottom part of the screen, click on the search icon. And then by clicking on the search icon, you can see different options, right? So go ahead to select destination that you would like to add to your favorite. So once you've selected the destination and then you see details about destination, the next step is for you is to locate the favorite icon on this page. All right, so you can see the option route to route from, and the next route from is the favorite icon. You just tap on it. By doing that, this particular location has been added to your favorite list, and you can easily access your favorite locations later by going to the main menu. All right, so let's go to the main menu and then search for favorites, click on favorites tab, and then you see your favorite location there. So it is that simple. So this is how you can add locations to your favorites on maps.me. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead to do that now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.